Okay, how to use this device?
When you enter the study cafe, you have to use this machine. If you have to put your phone number into this machine, and the machine recognizes you are a member of this club, and it shows the map of the seat.
Wow!
And you find the unempty seat where you want to sit.
You mean the seat available?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And if you choose when you want, if you choose where you want to sit, you can touch the number.
Oh, okay.
And after that, you can enter the study cafe. After studying, you have to check again. You have to put your number. You have to put your number into this machine, and your number is erased. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I see. So there is no one.
Yeah.
For the managing the place.
Yeah. I think the manager dropped by once twice a day. I think he comes to the cafe, and he arrange something. He check something.
Oh, okay.